Hey guys, I'm right here at Animal Jam, and this is not the account I'm using anymore because that account got banned. So yeah, and so I'm just gonna use my other, which is STP next STP what STP LVSNGS 091. That means stupid love song 091. But I'm not gonna show you my password, so yeah, I'm gonna use the regular typing thingies, which is just guys, I'm tricking you guys. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, I haven't told you what we're gonna do today. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna enter some codes that really work. So yeah, the first is to jam. To jam will give you 1,000 gems, and I already used the thingies. Next is AJB Day 5, and it will give you a Animal Jam birthday cake. So yeah, and next is Explorer. That will give you 1,000 gems or 500 gems. I don't know, but these are just codes I'm showing you, but I don't know what exactly is the prize. And then 12. Oops. And this one doesn't really work always, so you might want to do it again and again and again and again and again. So these are all 2016 working. It's only until January, and yeah, so go ahead and check what date it is published today, because it's 2016 today. So yeah, so those are all the codes I know, and see you guys in my next video, and please subscribe and like. Bye!